Hello there everyone, welcome to G-Shop channel. So guys, I'm going to open up my new kettle. So I already have this one, this kettle, and I have this aluminum kettle. Oh guys, I'm going to open this one. This is my new aluminum kettle. My new kitchen member. This is my new kitchen member, guys. This is my new aluminum kitchen kettle. Oh my god, it's I'll take it out one by one. So guys, I'm gonna take out my kettle. So this is the manual for the kettle. And now, so this my two kettle. This is the aluminum one. So this is the opening here. And later I'm gonna try. So these are my two kettle. So guys, the difference between these two kettle here is this one is automatic one. When it's done boiling, it off by itself. While this must off by myself, not by itself. So that's all guys. Thank you Lord for the blessing.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you.